Hello guys, my name is Armin. In today's episode, Learning Bluebeam, I want to show you how to leverage templates in Bluebeam. Bluebeam has over 30 templates that you can use them in your daily workflow. Basically, they're going to give you a head start. They're going to save you some time. Also, they're going to give you an idea on how to start your workflow. You can use them as a form. Also, you can use them just as a simple template that you can adjust them per your needs. Let's jump into Bluebeam so we can take a look. But if you like the content, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. In today's episode, learning Bluebeam, I want to show you how to leverage templates. We all open Bluebeam, we basically have a blank page and we start over there. We're creating like a submittal cover sheet. We're gonna create a RFI cover sheet and more. But I want to show you guys that Bluebeam has over 30 templates, including forms. So we can kind of use those. It's going to give us a head start, and we can kind of pick it up from there and move on to the next phase, which we can add more to it and make it more visible. So if I go to File, you guys can see you have two options. The one is the new PDF, the other one is a PDF from template. Let's start with the new PDF. So you're all gonna see this, right? When you open it up, it says custom. This is something that you want to create. You want to get the orientation, portrait, landscape, what type of style. If you want to have a notebook paper, you can kind of select this one. If you have some of the templates, you can see they are basically identified over here for you. They have some packs, forms, field report, invoice, memo, punch, RFI, and then like a different type of submittals and RFIs, and different type of pages. So I'm just gonna go with so you guys can see how this note looks like. So you guys can see basically click on this and then you have the actual note and you start typing. If you want to go to like a different, let's say, grid engineering. Click on it. You guys can see you'll be able to get this and start drawing, and you start scale it because you have a basically scale over here, and you can start because right now the page is not scaled, so you can scale each of these squares per your needs. It's gonna be like 1 inch, 1 foot, half an inch, whatever you want, and then you basically use it. There is like a more forms right here that you'll be able to use as grid line blue, also light blue, isometric. Isometric is a little bit different, half an inch. So you guys can see how it looks like for somebody who really wants to draw. So these are kind of a different type of the blank papers that you can use. Let me just close them on. Okay. So if I right now go back and go to template, I want to start, let's say, with the submittal, right? So I'm going to click on the submittal. You guys can see it's already predefined for me, right? So you have the architect, engineering, the staff, where they want to put the stamps, specification numbers, submittal, revisions, and date, and more. So this one is basically already there. If you want to put your logo, and also if you want to do a little bit more edit, you'll be able to do and you move forward with it. And also if I come over here, you can see basically I want to see you different. I want to pick the same, but this time I want to kind of click on this pen. So this one is giving me the ability to actually edit. So you guys can see the difference between the document that I opened. It's the same document, but this is the one that I can edit because I click on the pen. This one is just the one that I opened it up and I can use. And right now, this item right here, if I go to template, you can see when I'm on this page, the template is off, save as it. Save as template is off because this is in editing mode. So if I want to make changes, move something, add something, that's going to be, this one is already done. And if I go to the save template, you can see it's basically giving me the option to save as template. So right now, if I want to do that, I can click on it and I can kind of save it any area that I want with that name. So let's just do document save. So I'm gonna close these. So if I go back to my template, you can see mine is being added to the top, and this is gonna be the template that I'll be using, right? As soon as I click on it, bam, it's ready for me to use. One other thing here, I'm pretty sure if you guys want to select it, let's say document right there, and if you want to use these as a default, like each time when you open a new PDF, automatically it's going to open up that page for you. This is going to be the actual default. You can set these as a default, and anytime you open it up, it's gonna basically, this is my default right now. So anytime I open any document, it's gonna be the submittal cover sheet. Let's just go to like a different item. Let's just look at the invoice, see how it looks like, so you guys can see it's already done. You can add your logo. Everything is basically over there. You can start. Let's just look at the field form. So you have a field report, with the project number, date, and a few areas. And again, these are all customizable. You guys can edit them. The way that I want to show you is it's something over there for you to start from, so you don't have to, putting stuff together. Look at the punch list. So it just basically you can take a picture over there, project number, room number, date, and put some description, and you're done with it. Next one that we have, let's just look at the RFIs. So you can see the RFI is already done, right? Today's date, RFI to, but and also if you have a form, there's like an RFI form. It means you can kind of click on it, and just fill it out. So it's really like it's basically there for you. Like you don't need to do anything. You can put your company's logo, you kind of good to go, right? So you have your today's date, form, description, response, and if you have any pictures, anything, you can kind of add to this one. So just be aware that there is like a form available also for the submittals that we looked at. There is a form that you can use, that's going to be the stamp. This is going to be basically where the architect and contractor, the engineer kind of add their annotation and notes basically to this one. So just make sure you go into file, new PDF. You can create whatever you want. If you want to use the templates, you can use it. Also, you can create your own, set it as a default. It's going to show up in your template. And also you can import a template from, if you have anything from your company that's it's been created already and you want to use it, you can import that template, put it in your tools, and you can kind of open that one all the time. It's pretty easy. If you want to change the template folder when you save it somewhere, you want to put it somewhere else, you're going to go over there. And also you can email templates, right? You can have a new templates, you have a change order, you can kind of email it to other people. If you have a different template, just go straight from their Bluebeam to your Bluebeam and you'll be able to use it. So I think this is a really cool tool. Instead of attaching it, basically you have this email template. So it's already here. I'm gonna name it to whom, subject, and message. I'm gonna tell them, just use this. So let's say we're gonna say submittal, just say use this. Um, template, and then you can add a subject, to whoever it is, and you hit OK. So it's gonna send this to the person's email, and as soon as they click on it, it's gonna go to their template and it stays over there. I think this is a really cool feature that you can kind of share templates in your company. So in terms of like a new PDF, creating it, having a template, and also email template, these are all that you kind of, I want you guys to kind of know that you have some forms that you can fill up. You can you have some actually PDF. You can use them, or if you want to edit them, add something to it, move something, change some notes, you'll be able to also do that. You can save them as a template, also save that page as a default, and you can import anything from a different user to your Bluebeam, and also you can share your template and send it directly to the different users to use it. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's quick video. If you like the content, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.